Chicagoland is the launch event for something amazing. These are our problem solvers and the trailblazers of the future. This is Tech-Powered STEM, where we place the T in STEM. Tech-Powered STEM's mission is to educate, equip, and inspire. Many of the students in this room, it's their first time engaging in STEM, and we have the skills and the capabilities to bring them closer to the intersection of technology and imagination.
What excited me most about coming into the event today was just really seeing all of our work and effort come to fruition. The look on their faces when they came into the room and when they saw the Sphero devices and they saw everything laid out for them, that's what really got me excited.
What I hope to achieve through Tech-Powered STEM is to inspire the next generation to think about opportunities that continue to grow in this amazing industry with technology. Tech-Powered STEM is a way that we can give them the vision today so they can realize it tomorrow.
As we look to lead the energy transformation, it is so important that we rely on technology to strengthen our infrastructure, technology to improve our grid. The next generation of innovators are so critical to helping us enable that.
So when people think of the utility, they typically think of poles and wires. The reality is there's much more depth behind it. When you look at the energy transition and what's going to be required, we are going to need to enable our customers to be able to manage their own energy use, and that's going to require a substantial investment in IT infrastructure to balance those future loads and also provide our customers with more value.
So this event today will connect people in all different technology-related careers to show students what's possible. The hope is to eventually have these students in our Exelon pipeline and becoming part of our workforce. With the education they've received through this program, the skills that they've built in collaboration with our partners, the future is bright for Tech-Powered STEM.
I think mentorship, as we all know, is very key in how we grow and develop. And mentorship for kids is to want to inspire, two, to provide guidance, and three, to really sort of provide those tools and resources that kids need to educate themselves to become confident in the technological space.
Technology is so powerful. We use it to keep our lights on. We even use technology to record this video. So if we can just tap into the minds and the hearts of our young folks, our students that are currently in high school, we will improve technology beyond our imaginations.
Everything we do today, from looking at our phones to even the energy that comes to your household, is really driven by technology. So what I'm really excited about is the future of technology and all the students that are going to bring innovation in their future careers.
My favorite part of today was making the robot do everything you want it to do, make it stop, make it shine a different color. It's very interesting to see what we can create and what we can do with what we create.
I'm very grateful to Exelon and our ComED leadership. They are 100% in support of inspiring and investing in our communities. They've empowered us as employees to connect with community partners, investing in our communities with students and inspiring them through Tech-Powered STEM.
Don't let today end today. Take this and build on whatever you've learned, whatever excitement you get, because whatever you want to do, it is possible. And at ComED and Exelon, we look for talent like you to be our next innovator and our next set of leaders.